Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is FemMNY. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. And if you're looking to know how to make balloon design or balloon decoration, this is the perfect channel for you. For today's video, we'll show you how to set up a beautiful birthday balloon garland. Alright, without further ado, let's start. So what I'm holding here is a 20-pound fishing line, and I attached it to my first organic balloon quad. And then add another balloon quad. What I did here is just lasso my fishing line, and continue on until you have this what we call balloon snake. Now I'm finally done with my organic balloon snake. I'm gonna cut the fishing line and attach this to the shimmer wall backdrop. You can actually attach this directly to the balloon stand or backdrop stand, but for this particular setup we use heavy duty clip, and I just clip it to the balloon backdrop stand. Now to secure my balloon snake, I used the fishing line that was attached on the balloon snake itself. Another thing, I also use balloon 260 to secure my balloon snake. As you can see, my balloon snake is not that long, so I added more balloons. I added balloon quads. Using 260 balloon, I attached it to the existing balloon snake and then continue on, add more quads until it gets longer. I also added a bigger balloon and tie it with your 260 balloon. And just do it just like this, and it's easier to attach to the balloon snake itself. And this time I'll make another balloon snake and do the same thing. So this is for the opposite side. Again, I use the same clip, a heavy duty clip, and as you can see, there's a balloon 260 is already attached there. It's easier for me to hook the balloon snake. Now that we have our balloon snake attached to the backdrop stand, so this time we will add more quads here and there to make it look like an organic balloon garland. By the way guys, once in a while you step back and check your work, make sure you like the shape. Now to fill in the gaps, we have this balloon filler. This is 5 inches balloons, 4 of them. Attach using your balloon 260 and fill in the gap. This is what we call fillers. Now to connect these two beautiful balloon garland, I have this link balloon, and connect them all together and hang it from one side to the other side. there you go, guys. It's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. And once again, this is Fandom NY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.